Hey guys, welcome to our channel Tactics World. I am Atish Ranjan and in this video I'm going to talk something funny. I'm going to give you a few tool links that you can use to prank your friends. You can fool them or troll them. Okay, so let's check the list. I have pasted these links in the video description. You can check out there. Okay, so before we check this list out, let me tell you that take this lightly and play the prank in a friendly manner. Don't hurt anyone's sentiments when you are pranking with anyone. Okay, so let's check the list. So first one is fake words. Click on this. Okay, so this is a tool that you can use to create fake chat conversations with any name you want. You can use any popular name like Will Smith, Will Smith, or anyone like Ritik. Okay, you can use the full name instead. You can keep the status online, operator Vodafone or anyone. You can use Airtel or something else. If you have some picture of Ritik, you can upload that, phone clock, whatever you want. I'm leaving it as it is. Okay, chats, this is fine. Contact, this is fine. Message, this is fine. Okay, now go to battery options. Whatever you want to select, just do it. If you don't want to show the battery percentage, just disable this. Connection, you can select any option out of these. I'm keeping it to Wi-Fi. Signal, for a strong signal, just do like this. Go to message. This is the real part. Okay, so gray bubble is for these messages and green bubble for these type of messages. So okay, so for the gray bubble means the person's name you have just set here is sending the message. So hey, how are you, buddy? Okay, click none. Timestamp, put this 9 for 9:38. Okay, am. Now click add to conversation. Okay, now you can see this is added at 9:38. Now go click on green bubble to respond to this message. Hey, Ritik, I'm good. How about you and your family? Okay, just timestamp whatever you want, like 9:39 a.m. Okay, and click on any option you want to choose. Like I'm keeping this red. Add to conversation. Okay, as you can see, the message a chat conversation is being generated as I am adding there. So in this way you can create a long chat, and for bragging you can show this screen to any of your friends to make them fool that you are actually talking to Hrithik Roshan. So that's it. Let's check the second one. This is Hacker Diaper. Oh, this is very cool. Okay, so just go to this website. Don't do anything, just type the buttons like this, and this will keep generating the codings. So when this comes into use, like if someone is watching your screen from behind you, you can just do like this and he will be thinking how fast you are coding, right? So this is simple. You can use this. The third one is Geek Diaper. This is quite similar to Hacker Diaper, but it has different themes. You can click on any theme like this. Click on this and just start typing. You are typing and it will be showing access denied. Okay, so if someone is looking onto your screen, he will be thinking like you are trying to hack someone with these codes and the access is denied. So this way you can make your friends or anyone fool for at least some time. So enjoy this website. Check the next one, the love calculator. Actually, I have already created this, so it is coming like this. When you go to the website, let me show you here, love calci zone. You have to uh, enter your name, enter your email, and choose password and create link. Click on create link. When you enter all these details and click on create link, then you will see this. You will have a link that you can share with your friends. When you send this to your friend and they will open, then they will see this. Okay. And for example, you send this to one of your friend and he enters his name like ABC and his crush name as XYZ, whatever the names can be. And when he clicks on calculate, then the real magic happens, because this is not an actual love calculator but is a prank site. Like, he will see this message: you have successfully been fooled, your name and crush name has mailed to Atif Ranjan, like in your case your name. Okay, so you will get an email with the names entered by that user, that friend. Okay, so this way you can enjoy this website. The next one is Shit Express. This is something weird and funny at the same time. On this website, you can buy piece of shit in a box and send to anyone. For example, you can just buy dog's poop and send to your friend. Like, choose an animal, give them the address on that you want to deliver that poop, pick a sticker, pay, and stay anonymous. Without revealing your name, you can actually send poop of any animal to your friends to make them, fool, or you can troll them. So let's check the next site. Next is News of Future. This is quite funny. On this website, you will see the news or articles that are published of future dates, right? So you can show someone uh, who is not so techy and make some stories to fool them, right? So check the next one. The next one is Great Big Stuff. This is impressive. On this website, you can shop for anything in their unusual size. For example, if you are going to buy a pencil, then they will have a bigger pencil, in unusual bigger size. So for fooling or pranking your friends, you can actually order something bigger, right? You can just go to the product and you can just add to cart, buy it now and send to your friend. You can just put the address of your friend and it will be delivered to your friend. So this way you can make fun with your friends and family or anyone else you want. So this is quite funny. Okay, so you have this list, and now let's have some fun with your friends, prank with them, troll them, make them fool, and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.